Hello, good morning, all of you. Today we are going to study and we are going to see. So, in this lockdown, we are taking all the classes via Zoom, Google Meet, or WebEx, and many of the options are there. But what about the practicals? So, in this pandemic, we can also take the practical by virtual mode, and some options are there. So how we can take the virtual practical, how we can perform. So one of them, the option is we can perform with the help of the virtual lab. So firstly, procedure, you can go in Google and search the virtual lab. You will get the first link. This is virtual lab. If you belongs to the different branches like electronics and communication, then electrical engineering, computer science, mechanical engineering, civil engineering. So I belongs to the physical science, so I'll go through this. So click on the physical science, then you will get here labs which we can use to perform the different types of experiment. If you have the experiment related to the molecular interaction, then solid state physics lab, electrical, number of links are given there, and from that links you can perform the virtual lab. So firstly, if you want to perform the another one, so click. So I'll choose this solid state physics lab. Okay, so this type of screen will be open there, and after that you can click. Suppose if you want to perform the characteristic of a Zener diode, then click on this, and you will get the this type of setup here. So this is the these tabs like a theory, procedure, stimulator, assignment, references, and feedback. So one by one we'll see here. So firstly, there is no need to carry any manual and all this the practical procedure, because all these things are given on that particular website. So you need to just visit that website or that experiment name, and you will get all the information. So we'll see here. Firstly, the manual is given here, so how to perform. So aim is given, then this type of things are given. Firstly manual, then apparatus, then theory is also given here. There is no need to search, and if you want to read you can take these references. Then after going through this process, you can also click on the next, that is procedure. So this is the procedure. So after reading that theory, so you can see so how to control the that component electrical equipments are given virtually, how we can handle. So firstly, controls are given there. Insert key, this is used to insert the key on the switchboard with connecting battery. So this key is only activated when connection is perfect. I will one thing I will suggest you, if you want to perform the virtual experiment, so firstly you need to know so what are the controls of that particular virtual equipment and component. So components are given there already, you can see, and the controls is most important while performing the experiment. So you need to know how to control it, otherwise you will not get the perfect interaction or user interface between that virtual experiment and your knowledge and your handling. So before that, going to that same stimulator, next step you need to learn all the controls, how we can control the equipment. So firstly, insert key button is there, then choose the Zener diode. The combo box is used to select the different Zener diode having a different Zener voltage. Then series resistance is given there, and value of series resistance can be directly put. That means this component also we can vary, like physical experiment we can take as per our requirement. Then slider is given there, rheostat value also we can vary. Then load resistance is given. Then after that, button, reset button to reset all the connections. So whatever the connection we made, if we make any mistakes in while connecting the wire and the component, so the reset button is given there. We will see in next slide. So that will help to reset all the component and connections whatever you made. Okay, then procedure and diagram is given there simply. So you need to read this first, then again next is stimulator. Okay, so one thing is given there from the last some month. It is the Flash player is restricted by this website. I don't know why, or it might be problem of my computer. But if your computer or laptop is not working with a Flash player, then another solution is there. If you need to download Flash player you can download from the any website, and here also you can click and you will get the Flash player. Already I downloaded here. So, and after that there is a procedure. You can see by clicking here also. After downloading, copy the content from the procedure. If you want to experience that virtual experiment, then you need to download firstly Flash player. Then after downloading Flash player, open, you need to learn open this type of interaction will be there, Flash player. And after, you need to go in procedure tab. You can see the stimulator link is given here. See here is the stimulator link. You can see this is the stimulator link. You need to copy this link. You can copy and open the Flash player. Then you can click here file and open. You will get this dialog box, and in this location you need to paste that link. Okay, and press the OK button. So after pressing the OK button, this type of stimulator you will get, and you can handle the things here. Simply there is a rheostat, then ammeter is there, then resistance is there, Zener diode is there, key is there, battery is there. So, and this is the reset button. Here we can reset all the components and things. So this is the diagram. With this diagram you can also make the connections. For example, suppose firstly one connection is there, so negative point is connected to the key. So we can, by watching this, you can also connect the negative points here. This is the positive actually. One thing you make sure, the your internet connection and your graphics card should be of the computer should be okay. See, while connecting the wire, you can see this is the like a straight wire, but when you connect it to that particular wire, it will get curve. That means your connection is proper. So by these things you can connect the wires simply. See, now this is the straight wire. You can connect the things. Here it is connected, no? So it will be directly get curve. That means with this type you can connect all the wires. Sometimes it is not working properly because of your handling and your internet connection and graphics card also. See, you can see, but these things work. This works, but you need some time. And with this you can make the connections. Here you can take the values also, series resistance, then rheostat also you can take. You can vary the, and after performing the experiment you can make a reset. Okay, so this is the virtual lab. This is run by the Amrita Vishwa Vidyapit. So virtual Amrita laboratory is it is useful for the experiment, and you can learn. After that stimulator, you can see the assignment is also given here. You can give the assignment, you can solve it, and then the references which use here, that is also given. Bibliography is also given there, and you can also take the feedbacks. For the feedback you need to log in, or you need to create a account on this. So with this help, in this pandemic you can conduct the virtual practical also with the help of this Amrita University. Thank you. If you like this video, please share and like.